Restart. Thumbnail. I feel like everyone should have this when it comes down to the rotation of sneakers. Yo, what's good everybody on YouTube? Thank you guys for tuning in back for another video on this channel. And this one is gonna be a very special one. I just wanted to say shout out to New Balance for sending over these packages right here. It does mean a lot. We're gonna go over a couple of items that they do have available on their website as we speak. I also have some clothing items to show you guys. I'm gonna show you how they look like on feet and whatnot. So hopefully you guys do enjoy this video. Please do me a huge favor by smashing the like button. And if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. All that stuff does help out the YouTube algorithm. We are trying to grow the channel. So smash that like button, subscribe, and let's just go ahead, hop into the pickups. All right, you guys, we're gonna go ahead, hop into this unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the clothing items. A couple of their stuff have been slept on. I feel like they do have nice essential pieces on their website, nice jackets, nice sweaters. I did go ahead and cop a jacket and a pair of sweats. So let's just go ahead and start off with these sweatpants. I did go a size medium in this, and they kind of like a track pant type of casual look in my opinion. I actually really like these. You do have that nice jogger bottom. I'd probably rock this, you know, going to a basketball court, maybe going to the gym. But overall, they do feel really, really nice. You do have the nice New Balance logo right there. And then I did go a size large in this jacket. If you guys need a sizing reference, I'm 5'10", and I do weigh 165. I'm actually super excited because, you know, it's crazy that New Balance is supporting the channel and whatnot. But yeah, you do have the nice New Balance embossed logo right here. I actually really like this jacket. I could definitely see myself wearing it a lot. And like I said, I did go a size large. Both items are black, so you can definitely wear them a lot in the fall and winter time. Very dope jacket, really like it. And I can't wait to go ahead and pair it with these shoes. I'm super excited about all the shoes that we do have to share. And I'm gonna go ahead and save the best for last. All right, so hopping into the big box, I believe we have 2 pairs of shoes in here. Super excited about that. The availability when it comes down to New Balance and their sneakers is just super nice to see. And if you guys do want a sizing reference, I always go a 9.5 with the New Balance stuff because they are like running shoes. So true to size in my opinion when it comes down to everything that New Balance has. Right here I have a pair of New Balance 992s, and then I also have a pair of New Balance 327s, both widely available on the website. This one does match my sweater, and it's a pair of green New Balance 327s. These are actually really dope. I can definitely see myself wearing these, you know, to the gym with a pair of sweatpants, you know, no-show socks, whatever it truly is. I actually think these are very fire. I can't wait to go ahead and toss them on feet for you guys. I really love green right now, and I think it's just because it's the fall and winter time. So yeah, you have the New Balance 327s right here. And then moving on to the second shoe. Another little bright of a color, but you know, your boy wanted to go ahead and step out of his comfort zone. I did get the New Balance 992 in this nice maroon colorway. These are actually super sick. I love how nice and buttery the suede is. I'm probably sure these are gonna be really, really comfy on feet. I feel like my feet never hurt when I do rock New Balances, but overall, very sick pair of shoes. Like I said earlier, these are the New Balance 992s, and this whole maroon color is just different in my opinion. I don't have anything like this in my collection. And then we do have my one and only favorite shoe that I haven't copped on the New Balance website. So I'm super excited to go ahead and hop into this box. The best for last, I just wanted to go ahead and highlight this little like carpet. I don't even know. We were trying to debate on what color this was. Leave a comment down below what you guys think it is, but it's kind of like a, you know, little vino wine type of vibe. But we are saving the best for last. I've always wanted a pair of 990s in my collection. I just never got around to wearing them because if you guys didn't know, as of recently, I did cop the 2002R in the gray colorway. These are very, very similar. So if you guys don't want to pay the resale prices, I would head over to the New Balance website and cop this pair right here. It says made in USA for over 75 years. That's also another thing with New Balance. A lot of their stuff is made in the USA, so it's very dope. You have high quality sneakers. But yeah, saving the best for last. I'll go ahead and knock that out of the way. I did get the gray New Balance 990s. I feel like everyone should have this when it comes down to the rotation of sneakers. And I just really love how this looks. These are the V5. I know they're coming out with a V6 sometime next year, but overall, the version 5 990 is super clean. I just really love this gray colorway. Very similar to the 2002R with the whole gray colorway and whatnot. But yeah, really love these a lot. shout out to New Balance. These are very, very sick. And these are widely available on the website. So make sure to go ahead and check these out, especially when it comes down to, you know, the price point and everything. These are a good bang for your buck. And yeah. All right, quick little rundown of what we got, you guys. So I did get this nice little track jacket, very dope. Nice New Balance logo right there. These sweatpants, jogger pants right here. Like, we did get the version 5 990, something I would highly recommend adding to your rotation, especially if you want your first pair of New Balance. I actually really love this shoe right here, and I can't wait to wear it on the daily. Also have a new model I've never tried, which is the 992 in this nice little plum vino wine colorway. Go a size 9.5 in this one. We're gonna toss this on probably with some tube socks. Also have the very, very affordable New Balance 327, which is only around $150. These are usually $100. I believe this specific colorway is $100, so I'd highly recommend looking into it. I believe all of these shoes right here are under $250, and I feel like that's a really good deal when it comes down to sneakers as of lately, because everything is just really, really in the high price point. Honestly, some very good materials, good suedes, a very dope sneaker, very comfortable shoes. Shout out to New Balance, really, really dope company. And if you guys haven't noticed, as of lately, I have been rocking them even before they sent this stuff out. So yeah. All right, so I just wanted to show how these looked on feet. Let you guys know, like, you can definitely wear a pair of runners, especially with the outfit I'm wearing right now. Maybe not with a green hoodie, but I'm gonna take these 2002 R's off and then put these 992s on. Gonna toss these on with the white tube socks as always. If you guys didn't know, it's still pretty hot in Vegas. So all right, so wow, these are very comfy. Tossing these on, I'd probably wear it with a different colored hoodie, but you know, little hiker man vibe. Really like these a lot. Overall, really like these a lot. The color's dope, very, very cozy. 9.5 fits me perfectly in my opinion. And you guys let me know, how do you guys feel about these? Like the silhouette, actually super cozy. So all right, you guys, I probably wouldn't wear all these things all together, but overall really liked how the tracks like pant looks with the shoes. These are the New Balance 327s. Like I said, I believe these are under $150, so very affordable. I also really like this jacket right here, very, very clean. I do need a nice little zip up jacket like this or pullover, so cool to add to the rotation for sure. But yeah, shout out to New Balance. These joggers actually fit really, really nicely when it comes down to the taper at the bottom too. So New Balance logo right here. Overall, really like it a lot. We're gonna go ahead and toss on the 990, but let me know what you guys feel about the items, not all together, but separately. I feel like they're all cool. All right, you guys, so when it comes down to this shoe right here, these are the New Balance 990 V5. Super excited to add these to the collection when it comes down to sneakers. I did want to toss them on with a pair of green cargo pants. I probably would have chose a baggier pant, but overall super cozy, super comfy, and they go with everything just because of the colorway. Let me know what you guys think about it down below in the comment box. And I am wearing the same jacket as earlier. Just tossed on a new pair of pants. But yeah, I feel like the New Balance 990 is for sure a pair that you need in your rotation when it comes down to sneakers. There you guys go. All right, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to go ahead and smash the like button for me. Subscribe if you guys are new here. Again, if you guys want to, make sure to go ahead and check out New Balance's website. They do have some great stuff, so I would highly recommend looking into it. Thank you guys so much for all the support on the channel. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, join the Discord group. Everything you need will be linked down below in the description box. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Y'all have a good one. Peace.